Del here, and we're going to talk about a living room project that, and I got this handy dandy, you might think it's a shoehorn, but it's a pointer for now. We had mirrors, in a previous video we had mirrors installed up in the ceiling, and those are down right now. And we put up a shop light assembly. We bought two of them, thinking we were going to connect them. Well, the first one, after a couple of days, it fell down, and it didn't work after that. So, something you don't succeed, try and try again. So we put another one up. And by the way, these aren't that pricey for what they do. They infuse an enormous amount of light into the area, but they get hot.
20,000 lumens.
20,000 lumens, yeah, that's a lot. And it's just an on and off switch here. And they have to be, I think our setup was 42 inches to where it's like a keyhole thing on the top of the lighting structure that you set them up and slide, and if everything works well, you have the screw with the proper depth and everything, it stays. So this one has stayed. And now the third part of our video is, if you can see up here, we bought 8 of these, which I only see 7 right now, but they're blue sky kind of outfits with clouds, and figured that the mirrors didn't seem to work, but I thought, well, maybe this might do it. And they're made out of heat resistant cloth, and there are magnets in them. I think there's let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. I think there's 10 magnets altogether. And it's with this drop ceiling we have, it just affixed to the metal framework. And we're still working out the folds in the material. It's gonna have to be up there and stretched a little bit more to get those folds out of there. But this is the effect of it, that this blue sky thing, and it might be maybe a little bit more, a little less, but it's not a big deal to change this, to add or subtract to it, or to move things around more too. So it's just kind of the idea behind the mirrors was to make the space seem bigger and taller and so forth, and that didn't really work out that well. And so we're trying this, and to get more of a, what am I calling it, a sunshiny, brighter kind of atmosphere. So there you have it, folks. If you want to try this, I don't recommend it or recommend not doing it. I'm just sort of neutral about it. I'm not. It's not really working magic on me, but maybe it will at some point. And also, I think that with, like I say, with getting the folds out of the material, that might work too. So
You could talk about this too.
oh, this is not a 3-part thing anymore. It's a 4-part thing. The same day that we went to the Pacific Produce, we went to a popular, one of the big hardware type outfits, and we purchased a ton of this, not a ton, but a certain amount of square footage of this green kind of indoor kind of thing. But our intention was not to use it as a carpet. We got the bright idea of setting up a pitch and putt kind of, what was it, a one-hole thing, and put up some kind of, interesting doodads and things to make it fun. And this was the first step in that process. We went in and they cut this for us, and we took it out and so forth. And so that's another thing, and it's going to be a item that you can set it up and then take it down as well. So it's still a work in progress, but this was the first step of it. So got that green, and a golf ball should roll over it pretty good. And so that was that. So 4 things. I hope to find this of a little bit of interest to you, and we'll see you next time.